everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic Friday so far. Today we're going to look at a 2019 Ford F-150 XLT in a gray metallic exterior. I would also like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of are these gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way right below that, you'll see that it also comes with running LED fog lights and this beautiful chrome bumper here in the front as well. Not to mention, you'll see those tow hooks here in the front for all of your towing conveniences. Coming right above that, you'll see that beautiful black row insert along with the chrome trim along that, and as well as this chrome piece running through the middle. Finally, here for the front end, you'll see that beautiful patented blue Ford logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. You also notice that these rims are all powder coated black. These all are aftermarket rims. A couple of things to point out here on the exterior as well. Here on your rear view mirrors, you will have turn signal indicators on the back. And you don't ever have to worry about them being frosty in the wintertime because they are heated as well. Not to mention the running boards for your added convenience of getting in and out of the vehicle. While we're over here, let's go ahead and open it up and show you guys this interior. This is going to come with a beautiful premium cloth, gray cloth interior. And as we turn around here to the dash, you'll see that beautiful patented black dash finish, along with some of this chrome trim here running along your air vents, as well as down below, it will be a light gray color. But while we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. So on this specific XLT, you will have 9.32 seconds for your tire depths all the way around. Brakes in the front will be 15.32 seconds, with your rear brakes being 13.32 seconds. Here in the back seat now, that beautiful premium gray cloth interior will stay consistent back here as well. Not to mention, down below your driver and passenger seat, you will have a 12-volt plug-in as well as 2 USB ports there on the left. Here at the rear now, a couple of things to point out back here as well. You will have a hitch and receiver for all of your towing needs, as well as a backup camera, so you don't ever have to worry about backing up in anything. But while we're back here, let's go ahead and drop this tailgate, showing you guys just how much bed space there actually is. As you can see, there is a beautiful drop-in plastic, hard plastic bed liner, as well as a beautiful plastic bed cover. Also, for your added convenience of getting in and out of the bed, you will have a pull-out step-up here as well. Go ahead and show you guys that. Now, I'm about 175 pounds, so it holds my weight pretty firm, as you can see there. Before moving to some of the interior features, I just want to point out that you will have keyless entry as well. However, moving forward, this vehicle is going to come equipped with power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. As you see, you'll get a nice little start up there. I apologize for the music. As you'll see, you'll get a nice little start up here on your middle display as well as your driver display from Ford. You also take notice that this vehicle is going to come with just under 57,000 miles on it. To the left side of your steering wheel, you're going to have some different options down there as well for your headlights adjustments, as well as the brightness to your driver display. Not to mention, your parking brake is located down there below as well. The left knob behind your steering wheel are going to be your windshield wiper adjustments, as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side is going to be your shifter knob, as well as your drive mode, as well as your for towing and hauling. The left side of your steering wheel are going to be your driver display, as well as your cruise control options. And on the right side, you're going to have your middle display options, as well as your touch to talk. Coming here over into the middle, you are going to have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, a backup camera. Now, if you don't want to use a large touchscreen display, there are some manual options there below as well. Up above your touchscreen display, you will have your traction control, your 4-ways, and another option up there. The left side, beside your manual options, will be your 2-high, 4-high, 4-low options. Your trailer backup option there as well. Not to mention the climate control at the touch of your fingertips. To the right side, you will have a 12-volt plug-in. As well as down below, you will have 2 USB ports and another 12-volt plug-in there as well. Coming back here, go ahead and showing you guys this. I'm going to go ahead and put this middle seat up real quick. You will have 2 cup holders as well as a coin holder here in the middle. And then this middle seat actually lifts up, allowing for more storage underneath. Putting this middle seat back down, you'll have 2 more cup holders as well as a center console here in the middle as well. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you will have lighting options for both your driver and passenger. Not to mention a sunglass holder. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 5.0 liter V8 F DOHC 32V engine. You'll also notice that our engine bay has come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips, and like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep your garage kept its entire life. I will say that we put all these aftermarket rims on as well, so they are all in great condition, no curb rash on any of them. The tires are all in great condition, as you can see there on that one. Coming back down here along the body, no scratches, no marks, no dings. You are going to have a couple of slight imperfections, as you can see there, as well as up top there. And then here on next to your windows, there are going to be slightly scratched up here on this panel. As you can see, there's a couple of small imperfections. Running boards are in great condition. Coming back down here along the bed, once again, great condition, no scratches, no marks, no dings along that. Showing you guys this rear passenger side tire. Once again, great condition, no curb rash on that rim as well. Coming around here to the rear, typically you would see a bunch of typical trunk scratches. However, there is just a couple of them, as you can see there and there. However, very minor, very inconsistent with those. Coming up here, you will have a couple of your typical tailgate scratches, as you can see there, as well as there and there. Moving down here along the driver's side of the tailgate, once again, great condition, no scratches, no marks, no dings along that. Showing you guys this rear driver's side tire, once again, great condition, no curb rash on that rim as well. Coming down here along the body, as you can see, great condition, no scratches, no marks, no dings along that. However, those same inconsistencies, as you can see on the other side, are consistent over here as well. Running boards are in great condition. There are going to be some slight imperfections, as you can see there, though. And then finally, stopping back up here at this front driver's side tire, great condition as well, no curb rash on that. This is an extremely clean 2019. That's all I have for you guys today on this beautiful 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Gray Cove Road in McConnellsburg, PA. If you want to see more nice vehicles like this, hit that like and subscribe. And if you want to be updated on every new post, turn the post notifications on, and you'll see many more vehicles just like this one.